Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Samsung Galaxy A41, I recommend you to get the Opera Mini browser from the Google Play Store, and right now I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's open the Opera Mini, click on the continue, then tap on the allow and continue. And for example, we can enter this website. And as you can see, there's a notification that the ads were blocked, and there's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So this browser got the partnership, and you don't have to connect any external application. So it's really cool. And when you click right here, you will check how much the ads were blocked. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.